All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. Today's video here on Monday, April 7th, 2025, as we enter the Trump tariff market. Volatility is through the roof. I don't think I've ever seen the volatility this high except for 9/11. Market opened up at 843. Volatility was, VIX index was 53. Then it dropped down to 39, then went right back to 53 by 10 o'clock when that fake rumor came out about the tariff being suspended for 90 days. So if you're not trading with a bot, I don't know how you're surviving the market. It just moves so fast. So here's our first trade. We did 7 trades with the bot today. Record day, $5,100 in profit. Trading here, we're trading one contract, and I think we're trading one contract on the ES. But later I switched to 2. So we let the market open. It took a plunge at the open, and be sure to watch our ORB strategy. We nailed it with that. Then we turned the bot on after the market. We thought it settled down a little bit, but it was just up and down, up and down. But the bot can handle any type of, volatility, fast, slow. It trades them all. It's been out for over 12 years. And as you see, it did very well here. $410 on this trade. Short, some sideways action here, then the breakout, catching the shorts. This must have been when that news was released, and we caught this leg up, that leg up, and I'm just like, wow, one contract on 3 contracts, we would have tripled our money and take the profits. And if you're not listening to a news feed or CNBC or got some type of news where you can know what's going on in this Trump tariff market, you're going to be lost and have losses. So here we added a contract on the news, figuring the market would rally up, and that's what exactly it did. And we got 807 right in the wave to the upside here. And then this is one of our ES trades of 3, where we're trading just one contract. We had an 840 goal. We got 675. Ride the trend back up after this news for a pretty good trade, if you ask me. And then we took a break. The market was just, not really tradable, if you ask me. And my goal going into the day was to make $2,000 and call it a day, and we got to 1,800. So we took a break and then came back after 12. Market settled down a little, I guess. Still moving nicely. And we traded the ES here with one contract, caught a leg up and a leg down, and 842 profit. I mean, just because the market's open doesn't mean you got to trade it. And looking at the price action, it was just all over the place, after 10:15, 10:30, 10:35, and, was the tariff news real or fake? It was just a bunch of garbage BS, and I didn't want to deal with it. So then you just got to walk away. Shut the computer off, walk away. And here, another trade. We're focusing more on the ES here. It looked like the market was going to fall off the cliff, and it did. And we caught a nice short on one contract for 646. 2 or 3 contracts, that would have been almost $2,000. And then we took another break. Wasn't going to trade anymore after that. 2 nice trades in the ES, and then I came back at 3:30, and somehow somebody pressed the enable strategy button. It wasn't me. It was Patrick. Patrick number 2 just wants to keep trading. Said to myself, don't take these trades. Don't take these trades. Just one. And so we hit this one here on 2 contracts, and we caught a nice move. Didn't take this one because the trend was down. But some profits here, and then the big move here put us up to 877. And then myself said, Patrick, shut the computer off, walk away, go to the gym. But Patrick didn't listen. He likes living on the edge. One more trade, he says, just need one more. And which is I just had a feeling the market was going to make a move up into the close, and we ran this here, and those other traders over at, there's some YouTube web page called the initials TP. It was so funny. They were shorting the market into the last 10 minutes. They got their ass handed to them. Here's where they shorted, right here. This level right here, 480, and then they're like, "Oh, we're up. Well, let's get a little bounce. Oh, we're locking in some profits," and then zing, we're stopped out. So it was a good laugh, and the bot does everything for you here. And 882 profit, which put us up over 5,100 for the day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and social media accounts. And you want to get our FlowBots Replikanto trade copier, click the link underneath. And we'll catch you in the next video.